This is a kalliroscope. A kalliroscope was developed as a piece of artwork by artist Paul Matisse. This piece of art is mesmerizing to watch in action as you spin the disc and stop it. While the device was at first a work of art, it is also a great way to explore science, which in itself is an art. This beautiful work of art and science can easily be constructed at home, so you can play with it whenever you want. The fluid inside a kalliroscope is called rheoscopic fluid. Rheoscopic means current showing. It shows how the fluid moves. You may have heard of currents before when learning about the ocean or when learning about planes flying. A current is some fluid moving in a specific direction. So ocean currents are the seawater moving in a specific direction. A fluid is a substance that takes the shape of its container, which includes liquids and gases. Solids like marbles don't. Rheoscopic fluid is great for studying fluid flow and was used in the 60s for that purpose before computers became more common. Here, you can easily see how the fluid goes around the magnet and collides with the corner of the square container. Knowing how fluids work and interact with objects is important to learning about so many different topics, whether it is how a plane or a hawk flies through the air or about hurricanes and their formation and shape. And if you are interested in space, anything looks similar between the kalliroscope and Jupiter? I care about the kalliroscope for two main reasons. As an engineering student interested in working on planes, I need to understand how fluids work. The kalliroscope helps me visualize the flow of the air around a plane. Lastly, I love the pretty and mesmerizing patterns created by the kalliroscope. No matter why you like the kalliroscope, there is so much going on that will boggle your mind every time you play with it. We'll start with the rheoscopic fluid, which is the fluid on the inside. First, we're going to add some shaving cream to your mixing bowl. Then we're going to add a lot of water, and then some more. We're going to make sure that we have plenty of water compared to your shaving cream, or a 20:1 water to shaving cream ratio, if you want to be exact. Then we're going to stir the shaving cream and water together, and then we're going to wait 24 hours. After we wait 24 hours, we'll take the foam off of the top. If you want to add food coloring, now's the time. Blue is a great color option. Blue makes it easiest to see the effect. With the food coloring, a little bit goes a long way. So add 1 or 2 drops at first and then add additional drops as needed. Next, fill your container to the top with your rheoscopic fluid. You might need to use a funnel for this. Securely attach your lid and wipe the edge of your container with a paper towel. Next, glue your container's edges with a hot glue. Be careful here. Add any additional decorations as you see fit. And now you have your kalliroscope.